today we're gonna kind of get some random prices promo from Pure Gold, which it was like my mom bite here. Here, mom.
Hi.
Okay, guys, this is my mom, which is she's gonna let her students and my dad's students like this video. So if you're all my mom's students or dad's students, then please like and subscribe this video. Let's start.
Ano yung papakita mo sa kanila?
Here it is. Tada! Here she has some stickers. Salamat sa inyo.
Flashy?
Yes, meron siyang sticker, guys.
Ano po ba yan?
Si Mogu Mogu po. Ayun na, ang cute.
Got it from Mogu Mogu store
Yes.
from Pure Gold Convention.
Yes
Thank
po.
you po.
Thank you po.
For the free.
Kung ikaw po si Pure Gold Official, thank you po sa mapabigay neto.
Sa Mogu
Thank you, Pure
Mogu.
Gold. Thank you, Pure Gold. Bye!